Hello friends, today my topic is electrical loads. An electrical load is any device or equipment in a circuit that consumes electrical energy and convert it into another form, like heat, light. There are three main types of electrical loads. First is resistive load. Resistive load examples are heaters, bulbs. Its power factor is unity or 1. Second is inductive load. Inductive load examples are electric motors, fans, pumps. Its power factor is less than unity or lagging power factor. Third is capacitive load. Examples are capacitor bank. Its power factor is leading. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel.